Theodore Whitmore and staff has been officially sacked or fired from Mount Pleasant. Very, very interesting breaking news, they would say. But in my view, very, very interesting news. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give you some statistics for the 2 years TAPPA Whitmore has been in a job at Mount Pleasant. And with those statistics, we're just going to have a look and say, you know what? Use it as statistic to see if what really went wrong. How horrible Mount Pleasant 2 seasons under TAPPA Whitmore has been for him to be sacked at this present moment. We're going to get into that. But before we do so, I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and share the content. If you're new here, first time to the channel, I would really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button. You can also become a member. Another way to support us is buying us a coffee. The link is in the description and also in the pinned comment section of the video. Woo! So let's get into the statistics first. You know, let's have a small discussion. So, TAPPA Whitmore just finished the Premier League. Premier League not even at a month pass. barely a month. I know a month not pass yet. It hasn't even been a month when Mount Pleasant have found themselves in the finals of the Jamaica Premier League, and they lost the finals to Cavalier on penalties. Better penalty takers, they would have won the penalty shootout, which would have meant that they would have been the champions. Based on the statistics I have here, still have to ask the question, would they still fire him based off these statistics despite him winning the Premier League? What are the merits to sacking a coach as well? Anyways, he won the Jamaica Premier League last year as the first ever, when in his first job as Mount Pleasant head coach. First season, I should say, and he won the Premier League in that. Remarkable, I have to say. Yeah, I have to say, it's a remarkable job. Anyways, let me get to nice statistics then, people. So I don't know, do the good stuff then, people. As I said, like and share and so whatever. Them something there. No. First season at Mount Pleasant, 29 games, 19 win, 6 draw, 3 loss. Scored conceded 17 goals, scored 41. No, my apologies. Actually, that's not his first season. This is his first season. So that is the completion of this season. I only lost 3 games in this season. Yeah, so this is this season. Season before now, games 30, wins 19, draw 9, lost 4, conceded 24, scored 59. So in total, over the 2 seasons, this is what Theodore TAPPA Whitmore credentials, or should I say statistics as head coach of Mount Pleasant looks like. 59 games over the 2 seasons. 38 wins. 15 draw. 7 losses. Scored 100 goals. Conceded 41. His win ratio. His win ratio is 64%. His win ratio is 64%. Now, for those who know football, I would advise you to go and research. I'm not saying that TAPPA Whitmore is the top coaches across, or top coaches like in Europe. But go and check out the win ratio of all the top coaches across the world. This is the gauge. This is the area. Now, many might say that based on the squad that he has, he's supposed to win. But that's not that's not how football operates. That's not how football operates. Because people are going to look on and say, boy, I'm going to bring back to this Arsenal about the league. But yet still, I'm going to say, Pep Guardiola, the best manager in the world. And technically, some will say, Manchester City are the best squad, have the best squad in the world. Based off quality. Are one of the best squad in the world. Are they expected to win the league every year? Technically, they might do it right now. Technically, they might do it right now in some sense. But are they expected to win every single title that they played for? We just see Manchester United with way worse statistics in the past 2-3 years than Manchester United, than Manchester City. Take one trophy from them. That is football. What I'm saying now is this. The reason I'm saying that is what merits a sacking. Because if a coach is having a 64% win ratio, which is that is extremely high. That is very high. 64% win ratio. And he's been sacked. What are the criteria of sacking? So let's say the Mount Pleasant owner, operating with the Chelsea, Madiolia could just win a title, get sacked right away. Fine, no problem. That's the module. The worry is the club competition is coming up next month. How are they going to approach that competition at this moment? It's a good question. And do they have a steady replacement like right now to come in? No, this news broke. I think a man is one of the first person. I'm sure sports for those who know. I first a person breaking news. I'm share the same sentiment as Manningsman by saying that in my view, I think he's doing a good job. In my view, me no own a club. As a fan of football on the outside, I think that Mount Pleasant was actually in a good position. Now, ask yourself this. Despite having the best squad in the world, football is played on the day. And on the day, you can get the result. Cavalier. I would say that final was strictly down to speed. I thought Swede handled himself extremely well in the Premier League final. Extremely well. In context of things. But the good coaches versus good coaches. And a hefty squad, big squad versus more of a young squad. But a squad with a high valuation. Now, I do believe that Mount Pleasant would have spent a lot of money this season in aim to win the title. Because that is the aim. They want to win it every single year. And nothing's wrong with that. Ambitions have to be high to be successful. That is the nature of sport. And in my view, I do believe that there's something else behind the scene which should have caused them to be sacked, the entire coaching staff. Now, let me tell you some players' name. Get some players' name. I got some players' name where they say likely we might not see them at Mount Pleasant next season. These are the players. Bygrave, Rankin, Richie, Isaacs, Sigree. I think them say Campbell. Not sure. I'm not really sure about that still. Because, unless I'm different Campbell. How much Campbell are Mount Pleasant? Much Campbell? One Campbell, Mount Pleasant and a Devante Campbell, Is there another Campbell? Unless there's a Campbell, I couldn't Dev because they have Dev has, high regard. So I couldn't Dev. Anyways, but those are the names that I was informed that we might see them leaving. Now, when you have such a big squad, expectations will be high on a squad such big. But that's how football is. Ferg is a good coach. TAPPA is a good coach. I do believe that they will be in a job quite soon. Blink. Moby, I look a coach. So We don't know where that go. But at the end of the day, I do believe personally that something else could be, it could be something more deeper than what we are seeing on the outside, than just sacking the entire coaching staff. Because at the end of the day, if you sack TAPPA, the assistant coach in Ferguson would be the ideal person to step in place and kind of handle things. But not even that's the case right now. Nevertheless, it's quite interesting. We're going to see, I think we're going to have a very, very interesting Premier League season, 2024-2025 Premier League season. Anyways, people, night me I do this late hours at night. Me I come go and bed, come just come in, me I work along. So, I come go and bed now. Big up on yourself, people. Tell us what you think in the comment section. 64% win ratio. 64% win ratio, people. I tell you, still get sacked. Go for sure, say, the man them ambition extremely high. The coach, Mr. Goal ambition is extremely high. Win everything at all costs. And maybe Mr. Cole probably say, you know what, I'm not sure if the coaching staff can take it any further. Especially in the Caribbean competition, the CONCACAF competition that's coming up. So, we will see how this one panned out. We will see if it's a good sacking or a bad sacking. It's going to be quite interesting to see how this one panned out. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, tell us what you think in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe. MG Sports TV. Link in the comment section. Buy us a coffee or in the description of the video. And see you guys again. Until next time, God bless. Take care of yourself, people. Enjoy your rest of the day. We're out. Boom.